Hi all, welcome to today's video. So today we are going to look at one basic thing which any developer faces in their Java journey. So how to install IntelliJ. So first step is that before we go to this video, I would please request you to subscribe to my channel. So this basically encourages me to create more content in this format and share my learnings to everyone. So let's go quickly go to the topic. So yeah, so first thing is go to Google and then search for these two keywords, JetBrains Toolbox. Then after that, after searching, you go to a web page wherein you can actually download JetBrains Toolbox, and the second step is you just go and install a JetBrains Toolbox. And after which, after installing JetBrains Toolbox, open it in your system, and within JetBrains Toolbox, you search for this keyword community. And after searching, you will get a result which basically points out to IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. So the fourth step is just install IntelliJ IDEA Community in your machine using JetBrains Toolbox. So now let's look at the demo which I will be showing in my mission. So yeah, so first thing is just search for JetBrains Toolbox, and it'll take you to the JetBrains website. So you just download this app, and once you have downloaded this app, JetBrains Toolbox app, you can actually see it in your system. So here in my machine, it has got installed already. So the next thing is you just go and search for community. So you can see community edition, IntelliJ IDEA community edition. So this is the one using which you can develop Java based applications. So you select this and then install it. And after installing, so this is the start screen, how it looks like, IntelliJ IDEA. So I hope this video is useful to you.